cute little bag. I seriously can't believe I got so lucky. What is up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a Chanel 21p unboxing. It's going to be a true unboxing. I received this bag yesterday via DHL on a Sunday. You know how much I love a DHL Sunday delivery. They're the best, and it arrived on Valentine's Day, which was yesterday, but it arrived so late in the afternoon, so close to dinner time, that I didn't have a chance to unbox it because we already had like dinner plans. I thought I would save this for the next day. Today's Monday, and unbox, do a true unboxing with you guys so you can see everything during natural daylight and so forth. And I'm so excited about it. So it came in this box right here. I got super lucky because it was the last one in the country. This one came from one of the Chanel Sydney boutiques. I do not know which Sydney boutique this came from. I paid $20 shipping. And I purchased this one directly from the boutique. I am so lucky to be able to get this bag. So what happened was I had messaged my SA about 2 or 3 weeks ago asking about this bag, if she was able to get me one in any size. She said she'll keep an eye out, but no luck. And so last week I went to the Chanel Flinders Lane boutique to see my SA there. I heard that stock was arriving that week. It was dropping on the Tuesday, but I went in the Monday, and he goes that everything's allocated already, but if something does come available, I'll let you know. And then on the Tuesday I went to Chadstone because stock had dropped. So I saw my SA there and she said literally everything's allocated already. However, if something does become available, I'll let you know. And so I came home like really like heartbroken, but I still kept my hopes up. And then on the Wednesday, the next day, I went to Chadstone again just to see if anything was available, and there was like nothing displayed on the shelves. So I think everything was sold out. So I walked out of the boutique. I went to Van Cleef & Arpels. I was trying on a few pieces, but at the same time I got into contact with a girl who passed on the bag. She got me into contact with her SA from a Chanel Sydney boutique. Literally, if she did not pass on this bag, I would have missed out. I had to make the purchase quickly within the hour, otherwise I would have missed out. So I did pick something up at Van Cleef & Arpels Chadstone. I will open this in my next video. So without further ado, let's jump right in. I've never purchased anything from Chanel Sydney before. And it came in this shopper bag. I'm so excited. It's a little bit squished, but that's okay. Let's take it out. So the new Chanel shopper bags, they don't have that plastic film on it. I guess this one's a lot more eco-friendly. And you've got the camellia, and then you've also got like the receipt on top. So I want to see which store this one came from. Okay, so this one came from Castlereagh Street. Chanel Castlereagh Street. So I got 2 invoices. One was for shipping, so the freight was $20. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, we're meeting my bag, my brand new bag, for the first time. So I'm nervous, but I'm really excited. Just pull the ribbon. All right. Okay. To reveal to you, you can see the dust bag. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. I'm in love. Oh wow. Also get the booklet. Take off the tissue paper. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's literally perfect. And I can feel already how firm and thick the Chanel lambskin is. Oh wow. Still has the plastic stickers on the hardware. Oh, it's such a gorgeous color. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Comes with the felt protector. And the inside has some tissue paper. That's the inside. This one is a made in Italy piece. So it says Chanel made in Italy. All the minis nowadays are made in Italy. It's extremely rare to have a Chanel mini flap that is made in France. This is love at first sight. And then I've got the authenticity card, which is a 30 series. I've been dreaming about adding a Chanel tan or a Chanel caramel colored flat bag in my collection for years now. I've been on the hunt for at least 5 years now. I would have for sure missed out on this bag, and I wasn't willing to pay for resellers premium. The size of this is super cute because it looks like a classic flap, but without the classic flap price. So I'll share with you the pricing of this. This one was $6,250. Currently Chanel in Australia is extremely expensive compared to other countries, compared to the US and compared to Europe. I have a lot of Chanel minis, and granted, back then the prices were fantastic, especially pre-loved prices were fantastic, and from the boutique the prices were fantastic. So I snapped up a whole bunch. At one stage I had purchased about 14 to 15 Chanel mini flaps in the space of about 4 months because they are extremely addictive. I've heard that the chain can twist quite a lot. You see that? I went to the Chanel Chadstone boutique and I tried on the blue mini flaps. It's like the periwinkle blue. I saw 2 minis on display. All of them had this issue and I thought that was quite odd. I mean, the price needs to reflect the quality, but this one isn't as bad. I've heard that the strap length of this is a lot shorter. I'm just gonna try this on for you guys. The strap length of this is absolutely perfect compared to, let's say, something like, maybe something like this. Black Caviar Gold Hardware. Let's compare the strap length. Yeah, this one sits much lower on the crossbody. Even crossbody I found it quite long, but yeah, huge difference in the chain strap length, isn't it? So black in there. The same thing. Huge difference in length, right? This is a 13 series. Oh, how cute, right? Oh, I love the length of this new chain strap. The color is so beautiful. It goes so well with like whites, blacks, beiges, creams. I love neutral bags and I wanted to add more color to my collection. A lot more lighter colors because the majority of my bags are black. The day prior to purchasing, you know, Van Cleef and this, I had a good feeling. I said, you know what, I know that I'm going to come home with a Chanel mini flap in 21p. I know for a fact I will. On the Tuesday when stock was all allocated, I wasn't able to get one. I came home and I felt quite disappointed, but also at the same time I was quite grateful for my SA trying to help me. But yeah, I was still hopeful and mindful and kept my, you know, heart open. But if I didn't get this bag, there will be plenty more bags to come. That's what I thought to myself. And then the next day, you know, I went to Chadstone again and these two things happened. I think some things are meant to be. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys liked it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Give this video a like. Also make sure to keep an eye on my next unboxing video. I'd love to know your thoughts on this little baby, my new Chanel 21p mini. That's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please stay tuned until next time. I will see you in my next video. Bye. I just can't believe I scored this.